Hi, I'm Joseph Falbo, Certified Financial Planner. Today we're going to talk about boring is good. In the past few years, we have witnessed the boom and bust of many assets. I'm talking about meme stocks, cryptocurrencies, and even some well-known tech companies. Now, every few years, something is hyped up and has some unheard of serious gains, right? This, in turn, gets us to start thinking that getting rich type of mentality. Whenever that's happening, dopamine in our brain is calling the shots. We aren't thinking about decisions anymore. We're just reacting to the powerful, yet temporary, neurotransmitters firing off in our brain. Now, this can cause us to buy only to experience later on the pain of seeing that asset that we bought drop precipitously in price. Booms are often followed by busts. From 1980 to 2014, more than 40% of the stocks lost 70% of their value and never fully recovered. Now, many of the diversified investors, yet many of those investors were unscathed. Some even earned 12% a year during that period. Now, diversification, it's boring, right? It may be boring, but often slow and steady gives you the best chance to pursue your financial goals. I hope this message helps you.